Afternoon, everyone. Thanks, Alan and CITA, for the invitation to speak. Again, we're a firm of M&E consultants, headquarters in Cork, also have an office in London. Going to talk a little bit more about our BIM and how we've adapted BIM to be a working tool for our clients. I guess it's important, we're working for end clients, we're working for contractors, we're working for subcontractors, so we're getting involved in a lot of detail design. It's important to note that the real benefits and savings from a designer's point of view will come producing those working drawings and getting them out fast. It's a much faster, smoother way to work. Now, there's the symphony of BIM operators. There's a lot of talk over the last 2 days, I think, not quite negative, but we're not that far behind. UK, they don't have it fully sorted out yet, but we are a little bit behind, and some of our design team members are behind. I would point out possibly the architectural disciplines need to probably step up a little bit faster, like Reddy's have, and move it on a bit. Okay, so just a very quick little summary of EDC. We're 10 years in operation. We've opened in Cork 2003, and 2008 we moved to London. The dynamic workforce is important because it is a change of how you work. It's a better way of working, but it does involve change. So you need the experience of the older guys, and you also need some fresh blood to bring it on. You need that fine balance, and that's a key trick to get the right people around you. Okay, I have a movie here which demonstrates two of our schemes. One is an educational facility in the UK, which was greenfield, fully BIMmed. The second one is an industrial facility, a fit out of district heating hall off an energy from waste, which was an existing building which we got laser surveyed. And the purpose of it is to illustrate what we have done to help the client in any facility, whether that be the subcontractor, the main contractor, the end client. If we can play it there, please. Thanks. Okay. It's important not to forget the MEP industry has been modelling in 3D for numerous years, as have the structural engineers as well. So we've been using BIM since 2010, and it did originate obviously from the UK industry on educational projects initially. As Calvix says, the private industry and the main contractors are driving it. They're not waiting for the public bodies, the public projects, and it should be the same here. You shouldn't be waiting for the government to decide we're going to mandate it. The advantages of working in BIM far outweigh any possible challenges. It's time to get on, drive on and do it. Don't be waiting for anyone, don't wait for any government funding, or you'll be left behind. UK market, D&B, traditional construction management, all sectors using BIM over there. Some of the key advantages, just to touch on one or two from the video. The accuracy from an M&E design point of view is a good asset. It reduces your QA. I mean, if you get automatic scheduling, automatic tagging, you're reducing your human error in a significant scale, particularly with the size. If you have any size of a decent project, you're going to have human error, no matter how good you go. So your QA process is a lot easier. The project appreciation is something we've been doing for maybe 12, 18 months. We've been creating videos of RM&E and RM&E design. So you're on projects, you work for 6 months, doing the best design you can, and then all of a sudden you're presented with a construction team. You've never met them before. So instead of trawling through 30, 40, 50 drawings trying to understand the job, we'll give them a wonderful movie of the first fixed ceiling void, which is fascinating stuff. But within 3 or 4 minutes, they know where the pinch points are. They know why you designed routing in a certain way, because they can see it instantly. So it's proving very, very good. Automated scheduling for the estimators. Initially, when we started doing this, the estimators were using it as a cross-check. Now we're giving it to them. So it's great. We're working with the likes of BAM, and you can give BAM the quantities of pipe in 5 minutes. You're saving them. There's no more taking off. You know, once you have confidence in what you've modelled, you can have confidence in the figures. It's a bit like what the QSs were saying. If it's not modelled right, you're at nothing. It's the same for the architects. If the architects don't model it right, we can't use it right. We can't bring it into IES if it's not modelled correctly. So it's important. So if we model the M&E correctly, we can have full confidence in the estimate quantities. There's no disadvantages. I have to be positive. You have to drive on. There's plenty of challenges. No disadvantages. There's far more going for it than against. So to summarize, I think we're designing better. We're designing sooner. We have a better product. And from an M&E point of view, that's a win-win. We're probably ahead of the curve in the Irish market. We're struggling to find design teams on the Irish market who can work with us. We're doing jobs where we're getting 2D drawings from AutoCAD, and 2 weeks later you get the Revit model. It's backwards. So designing better, delivering sooner. Thank you.